Okay, so I seldom um, put out any do-it-yourself content because I suck at do-it-yourself stuff and I'm not handy. But I do know one thing about do-it-yourself stuff, and that's in the technology space. So for those of you with a home office, and we find this from time to time, especially you, Janya, all right, you might have a little wonkiness with your Wi-Fi if you have a home office. And there's a very simple solution to getting strong, consistent signal, even if your home office is way on the other side of the house from your router. And that is this. This right here is called a Wi-Fi booster or a Wi-Fi extender. And what it does is it catches your Wi-Fi signal and it amplifies it. And you can even plug your computer like hardwired into it as if you're not even on Wi-Fi. My office, this bunker here, is in my basement. Ironically, it used to be a psychologist's office. The jokes write themselves. But my router is up on the other side of the house in the kitchen because that was the most central location for the rest of the house. And with 6 kids between us and all kinds of devices all over the place, we kind of needed it there. So I was the last priority, but a number of years ago, I got this Wi-Fi booster, Wi-Fi extender, and it has been absolutely life-changing. So if you want to improve that home office Wi-Fi signal, and it's an easy do-it-yourself project, go to Amazon. It is anywhere from $30 to $100, depending on how fancy a model you get. Mine today, if you bought it, would be about $75, $80, but you can get a good one for $50 that'll extend your Wi-Fi almost 300 feet, which is like a football field. All right. So get yourself, if you've got a little Wi-Fi wonkiness in your home office, easy do-it-yourself fix, get a Wi-Fi booster or a Wi-Fi extender on Amazon. $30, $50, 80 or 90 if you want to splurge, and you will solve your Wi-Fi home office problems. This is the first do-it-yourself video I have made that I think I've ever made, and it may very well be the last. All right. Good luck, homeowners, with the home office.